Omelette de fromage?
Oh, Dexter! French is the language of love. Oh, say it again, Dexter.
Omelette de fromage.
Omelette du fromage. It means cheese omelette. Unfortunately, we will not be talking about cheese omelets today. Instead, we'll be talking about something less interesting. The du in omelette du fromage. Something we call a partitive article. Article partitive. Buckle up.
Salut tout le monde. Aujourd'hui, nous allons traiter les articles partitifs.
Partitive articles.
Du, de la, de le, and de. These are the partitive articles.
Partitive articles are used when talking about things you can't count. For example, food or liquid, or in fact, any unspecified quantity of something.
For example, if I wanted to say bread, it wouldn't be le pain. It would be du pain. Du pain. If I wanted to say rice, it wouldn't be le riz. It would be du riz.
Because these are uncountable and they are actually unspecified. Nobody knows the quantity of bread I'm talking about. Nobody knows the quantity of rice I'm talking about. Because they are unspecified and because they are uncountable, you use
Du.
So partitive articles are like definite articles.
Now, if you don't know what definite articles are, you might need to watch my video on definite articles. As I was saying, definite articles and partitive articles are similar. The only difference in partitive articles is that you add de to the beginning of the definite articles. Observe. So instead of le, we have de plus le, de le. Instead of la, we have de la. Instead of L apostrophe, we have de L apostrophe. Instead of le, we have de le. So stay with me.
Le is for masculine words. La is for feminine words. L apostrophe is for words starting with vowel. And le is for plural words. There are more rules you have to take cognizance of.
When you have de plus le together, you have to merge it so that it becomes du.
Just like this. When you have de and la, you leave it the way it is. It becomes de la. No need for merging. When you have de plus L apostrophe, you leave it like that. However, where you have de plus le,
you have de.
So in actual sense, there is nothing like de le.
In your course of speaking French or writing French, once these two words are together, you have to merge them so that it becomes du. There is no such thing as de le. You have to merge it so that it becomes du. Same thing applies here. There is nothing like de le. When you have this, you have to merge them so that it becomes de.
Now we'll be moving to sentences. First sentence. I want to say,
he eats bread, or he is eating bread. That would be il mange du pain. He eats bread, or he is eating bread. Same thing. If I was a novice in French, I would probably say il mange de le pain. But as I said earlier, this is not allowed in French. You have to merge it. That is the de le. You have to merge it so that it becomes du pain. Il mange du pain. Second sentence. He bought meat for breakfast.
This will be, nous achetons de la viande pour le petit déjeuner. Petit déjeuner means breakfast. Achetons from the verb acheter, to buy. Viande, Smith. So here we use de la. Why are we using de la? Because the word viande is a feminine word. In the first sentence we use
du.
Because the word pan, bread, is a masculine word. Then next we're using the le apostrophe. So I would say, let's see, what sentence should I use? She drinks water. Okay. She drinks water. Elle boit de l'eau. She drinks water. We are using L apostrophe because ew starts with a vowel sound. And then finally, using this, I would say j'achète des pâtes. Pâtes means pasta. And it is important for you to note that in certain circumstances, partitive articles will revert to just de or the apostrophe. So what are those circumstances? Circumstance number 1. When expressing negation, perhaps I want to say, he didn't eat any bread. I will say, il n'a pas mangé de pain.
I know bread is a masculine word, so you're probably asking, why not use du? We don't use du because of the negation here.
Okay, see also, il n'y a pas d'épinards dans cette assiette. There is no spinach on this plate. Il n'y a pas, that is, there is no spinach in this plate. The question to ask now is, why not use the le? Well, we don't use the le because there is a negation. There is no spinach in the plate. Because of the negation, we use the apostrophe. Circumstance number 2. When expressing quantity. So I'll give an example. J'ai beaucoup d'argent dans ma poche. So the important question to ask now is, why not use the plus L apostrophe? Because of the use of this quantity, beaucoup. Beaucoup means a lot. This is a quantifying adjective, yeah? I could also say, j'ai pas mal de riz. J'ai pas mal de riz. I have a lot of rice. So the important question now is, why not use du? We all know that riz is a masculine word and it is an uncountable word as well. So why not use du? We don't use du because of this quantity quantifier. Pas mal. Pas mal means a lot, just like beaucoup. That's why we are using de without partitive. We're using it in its raw form. Another example will be, j'ai bu très peu de café. J'ai bu très peu de café. Café should be an uncountable word.
Instead, we're using do. Why are we using do? We're using do because of this quantifier here, très peu, which means very little. That's precisely why we are using do. The rule states that when expressing quantity, you don't use the partitive articles, you just use de or the L apostrophe.
Normally, following the partitive article rule, this should be du café. But because of this quantifier here, quantity, very little, we are now using de in this raw form.
And that will be all for now. I hope you enjoyed the video. If the video has been helpful to you, please leave a like, and also do subscribe. That would prompt the YouTube algorithm to push our content. Thank you very much.